also have the requirements for deburring. To improve consistency and overall quality during the deburring process, customers have adopted ROKAE NB25 industrial robot for steering knuckle deburring. ROKAE utilizes a reversing mechanism for deburring both sides of the same part, enhancing efficiency. The tooling is highly compatible, supporting various product models for quick changeovers. Floating deburring tools protect the workpiece and extend consumable life. NB25 robot features an upgraded sealing design with an IP67 rated wrist, ensuring stable performance in harsh environments. It operates continuously, increasing production by 50%, with a product qualification rate of 99.5. High bandwidth collision detection maintains joint zero position stability under multidimensional impacts, ensuring reliable production. Currently, the system is running stably at customer sites, earning high praise. Subsequent